Dear students, hope you all are doing well, right? Yes. Today I am again here to teach you mathematics. I hope all of you have seen all the previous videos, right? Yes. Today we are going to learn our chapter number 10, that's about geometry. That's about geometry. Okay. In this chapter, we are going to recognize and identify 2D shapes. That is mean plain figures, 2D shapes. Then we have to distinguish 2D shapes based on their properties. Then also you have to recognize and draw straight, curved, horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. Okay, you have to recognize and draw straight, curved, horizontal, vertical and slanting lines. Okay, in this chapter geometry, you have to recognize and identify 2D shapes and distinguish these 2D shapes based on their properties, and also you have to draw straight line, curved line, horizontal line, vertical line and slanting lines. Okay, are you ready? Let's start. Yes. Then, which figure is this? Which shape is this? This is a square. This is a square. The spelling of square is S-Q-U-A-R-E. Square. This is a square. Okay. Then, this is a triangle. Yes, this is a triangle. Triangle. T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E. Triangle. This is a triangle. Okay. Then, this is rectangle. This is rectangle. Rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E. Rectangle. Rectangle. Then, this is circle. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. C-I-R-C-L-E. Circle. Okay. Then, which shape is this? Yes, this is oval. Oval. O-V-A-L. Oval. Oval shaped. Okay. This is the shape of egg, right? Yes, it's oval shape. Oval. Then, look here. A corner in a plane figure is called a vertex. That is, this is a rectangle. We already seen it. It is a rectangle. This rectangle have four corners. This is one corner. This is second corner. This is a third corner and this is fourth corner. These corners are called vertices, or in each corner is called a vertex. A corner in a plane figure is called a vertex. The plural of vertex is vertices. This is a vertex. Vertex number 1, vertex number 2. It's number 3 vertex. This is vertex number 4. What is spelling of vertex? V-E-R-T-E-X. Vertex. The plural of the vertex is vertices. V-E-R-T-I-C-E-S. Vertices. Okay. Then, which shape is this? Yes, this is a square. This is a square. The yellow color dots indicates all the vertices, all corners. The yellow color dot indicates the corners and the red color arrow indicates the sides. Okay. In this picture, the yellow color dots indicates the corners or vertices and the red color arrow indicates the sides. This is a square. It has how many sides? how many yellow color, red color arrows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this square has 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. How many yellow color dots are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 vertices and 4 sides. Then all the sides of a square are equal in length. All the sides of the square are equal in length. Okay, all the sides of the square are equal in length. Then look here. This is a rectangle. Here also the yellow dot indicates the vertices and the red color arrow indicates all the sides. This is a rectangle. It has also 4 sides and 4 corners, right? Here we can see 4 red color arrows and 4 yellow color dots. So, the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners or vertices. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Okay? 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. That means the opposite sides are equal in length. Okay. These 2 sides are same. So, these 2 sides are equal in length and these 2 sides are same. So, opposite sides are equal in length. Opposite sides are equal in length in the case of rectangle. In the case of square, all sides are equal. Okay. Then, this is triangle. Yes, this is a triangle. In this triangle, we can see this picture indicates the sides of triangle. Okay. 1, 2, 3. How many sides? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. And here indicates vertices. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3 vertices. 3 sides and 3 vertices. This is a triangle. It has 3 sides and 3 vertices or corners. Then the 3 sides may or may not be equal in length. Okay, the 3 sides may or may not be equal in length. So the triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Okay, then this is a circle. It has no sides and no corners or vertices. This is a circle. It has no sides and no corners or vertices. Just like this is an oval. This is an oval and it has also no sides and no corners or vertices. Okay. Circle and oval. Circle has no sides, no corners, no vertices. Same like circle, this oval is also have no side, no corner, no vertices. Is it clear? Got it? Okay. Then, look here. Yes, this is a square. A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. A square has how many sides and how many vertices? A square has 4 sides and 4 vertices. Then, all the sides are equal in length. All the sides are equal length. Is it clear? Yes. Then, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. A triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. All the sides may or may not be equal in length. Okay, a triangle has 3 sides and 3 vertices. Then, a rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The opposite sides are equal in length. The sides opposite to each other are equal in length. A rectangle has 4 sides and 4 vertices. The sides opposite to each other are of equal in length. Okay. Then, a circle has zero sides and zero vertices. A circle has zero sides and zero vertices. Then an oval is also has zero sides and zero vertices. Circle and oval have zero sides and zero vertices. Okay. Then next we are moving to straight line and curved line. Straight line and curved line. A piece of string held tight will give you a straight line. A piece of string held tight will give you a straight line, but a piece of string held loosely will give you a curved line. Okay, a piece of string held tight will give you a straight line, and a piece of string held loosely will give you a curved line. Okay, then look here. This is a straight line. Okay, and this one is a curved line. Okay, this is a curved line and this is a straight line. Then look the spelling. S-T-R-A-I-G-H-T, straight. Then curved, C-U-R-V-E-D, curved. Okay, curved line and straight line. Curved and straight. Then these are some straight lines. Look here. These all are straight lines. Okay. Try to draw a straight line in your notebook. These all are straight lines. Then these all are curved lines. You should draw curved lines too. Okay. These all are curved lines. Then look here. Here we can see some lines, right? Look carefully. The first one is horizontal line. This line is called horizontal line. Horizontal line. What the spelling of horizontal? H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal. Horizontal line. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. Horizontal line. Then the next is, this line is, yes, it is vertical line. This is vertical line. Okay, this one is horizontal line and this is vertical line. This is vertical line and these are slanting lines. These lines are called slanting lines. Okay, the first one is horizontal line. This is vertical. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. This is vertical line and these lines are called slanting lines. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G, slanting. Horizontal, vertical, slanting. Okay, understood? Then here you can see on red color square. This is square and this is rectangle. Okay. The red square and the blue rectangle is made up of two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. These two are vertical lines. Okay. These are horizontal lines. So, the red square and the blue rectangle is made up of two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. Then, here, which shape is this? Which plane figure is this? Yes, it's a triangle. It's a green triangle. It's made up of one horizontal line and two slanting lines. This is a triangle. Okay, the triangle is made up of one horizontal line. This is horizontal line and two slanting lines. Okay, this is square. The square is made up of two horizontal line and two vertical line, and this is rectangle. It's also made up of 2 horizontal and 2 vertical line. This is triangle. This is made up of 1 horizontal line and 2 slanting lines. This is a circle. It is made up of curved line. Okay, this is a pink color circle and it is made up of curved line. Yes, it is made up of curved line. Okay, got it? Yes. Then, this is our activity time. Here you can see one home here, right? Yes. Look carefully. This is one triangle. This is one rectangle. Here is also one rectangle. Okay, this black color. Okay, look carefully. Then you have to answer these 3 questions. Okay, the first question is, there are dash horizontal lines. In this picture, there are how many horizontal lines are here? How many horizontal lines? Horizontal lines means lines like this. Okay, how many horizontal lines are here? Then, what's the next question? There are, that means in this picture, how many vertical lines are here? How many vertical lines? Vertical lines means the lines like this. Okay, how many vertical lines are here in this picture? Okay, try to find out and fill here. Okay, there are how many horizontal lines? The second question is, there are how many vertical lines? Then one more question is here. There are how many slanting lines? Slanting lines means, yes, these lines are slanting lines. Then try to identify the slanting lines here. There are dash slanting lines. Okay, you should do these 3 questions. Okay, there are how many horizontal lines? There are how many vertical lines? Then there are how many slanting lines? Okay, then I hope you all got an idea about these 2D shapes, right? What we learned today? Yes, square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval. Square and a rectangle having 4 sides. In square, all the sides are equal in length. Rectangle, opposite sides are equal in length. Triangle, having 3 sides, right? All the sides may or may not be equal. Then, circle and oval have no sides, no vertices. Okay. I hope you all got an idea about these all things. Then, try to keep all the mathematical concepts we have learned this in all videos. Okay, try to keep all the mathematical concepts always. Okay, then hope you all can go to school very soon. Okay, then study well. Then love you my dear students. Take care. Bye bye.